Every second, trillions of cells in your body are hard at work. Each one is uniquely designed to adapt, survive, and keep you alive. But how exactly do they do it? Let's find out. Not all cells are the same. Their structures are shaped by their jobs. Take red blood cells, flexible, disc-shaped, perfect for carrying oxygen through tiny blood vessels. Neurons. They have long extensions that let them send rapid messages across your body. Muscle cells. They're packed with mitochondria, so they can contract again and again with endless energy. And white blood cells? They're shapeshifters, able to chase and engulf harmful invaders. But adaptation isn't just about structure, it's about survival. When you exercise, muscle cells boost their mitochondria to keep up with energy demands. When you're dehydrated, kidney cells reabsorb more water to protect balance. When infection strikes, immune cells multiply and even remember the invader, making you stronger next time. So whether it's carrying oxygen, firing signals, contracting muscles, or fighting germs, your cells adapt their structures and functions just to keep you going. Hey there, welcome to Life Noggin. Today we're diving into the amazing world of cells and how they are uniquely adapted to do their jobs. Cells are the tiniest parts of an organism that can carry out all the processes of life. From the tiniest bacteria to a giant blue whale, every living thing is made of cells. And just like you, those cells are always changing. That's right. Your cells are constantly adapting to keep you alive and healthy. But what exactly does that mean? To understand how cells adapt, let's take a closer look at some of the many types of cells in your body. Red blood cells are like tiny oxygen taxis, zipping around your body, delivering vital oxygen to every part of your body. Because these cells have a specific job to do, they have a specific shape to help them be the best oxygen taxi they can be. Red blood cells are disc-shaped and flexible, which allows them to squeeze through tiny blood vessels and keep our organs happy and healthy. Now let's meet a neuron, or nerve cell. These cells are like the body's electrical wires, sending messages back and forth from the brain. Because neurons need to send messages super fast, they have long, thin extensions called axons that act like cables. These axons are coated with a fatty substance called myelin, which acts like an insulator to speed up the message being sent. Muscle cells, as their name suggests, help you move. These cells have a long, cylindrical shape and are packed with mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, which provides energy for the cell to contract. The energy from the mitochondria allows your muscles to work and keeps you moving. Finally, let's take a look at white blood cells, the body's defense squad. These guys are like the special forces of the immune system, always ready to fight off harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. White blood cells come in many shapes and sizes, but they all have one thing in common: they can change shape. This ability lets them chase down and engulf harmful invaders, protecting the body from illness and disease. So from transporting oxygen to transmitting signals, contracting muscles and defending against invaders, the cells in your body do a lot to keep you alive and healthy. And just like these examples, all cells are adapted to do their jobs. Their shapes and structures allow them to perform their tasks efficiently, but they don't just sit back. Cells also adapt to the demands placed on them. Let's go back to those muscle cells. When you exercise, your muscles work harder, which means they need more energy. In response, your body produces more mitochondria, giving your muscle cells the extra boost they need to keep going. This process is called cellular adaptation. Cells can also adapt in response to changes in their environment. For example, when you're dehydrated, your kidneys conserve water by reabsorbing more of it back into your body. This helps to maintain the balance of fluids and salts in your body, keeping everything running smoothly. Your cells can even adapt to fight off infections. When you get sick, your immune cells recognize the invader and start to multiply, sending out an army of cells to attack the pathogen. Some white blood cells, like T cells, can even remember the pathogen, making future attacks easier. This is how vaccines work. By exposing your body to a weakened or inactive form of a virus or bacteria, your cells can recognize the invader and prepare to fight it off more easily the next time around. From the number of mitochondria in a muscle cell to the fluid balance in your blood, your cells are constantly adapting to keep you alive and thriving. Now you know that. So the next time you look in the mirror, take a moment to appreciate the incredible cells that make up your body. Thanks for watching. If this helped you learn, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to DZ Medics Daily. And turn on notifications so you never miss more science made simple. Don't forget to keep on thinking.